If you're learning cybersecurity, theory alone isn't enough. You need hands-on experience. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a home lab and start learning using Wireshark. What is a home lab? A home lab is a safe environment where you can practice cybersecurity skills. You can simulate attacks, analyze traffic, and learn like a real security analyst. Tools you need. To get started, you need a laptop or desktop with at least 8 GB RAM, virtualization software like VirtualBox, Kali Linux, which is the attacker machine, Windows machine, that is the operating systems, WinRAR for file extraction, Microsoft Redistributable, and Wireshark. Installing Wireshark. Open your browser and type in www.wireshark.org in the address bar. Download and install Wireshark. Then launch the application. Capturing traffic. Select your network interface. Click Start Capture, then browse the internet. You'll start seeing packets in real time. Beginner practice. Try capturing DNS traffic, website visits, ping commands, and file downloads. Setting up a home lab is one of the best ways to learn cybersecurity. Start small, practice daily, and build your skills. Subscribe for more.